guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reinstall Microsoft Store in Windows. If you're using any Windows, it might be Windows 8, 10 or 11, and you're facing the issue that your Microsoft Store is missing or you want to reinstall it. So let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser. The very first way is open your browser, and in your browser you just have to download Microsoft Store again.